The Plan, Do, Study, Act, or PDSA tool, is a great way to monitor and improve ongoing work. The PDSA is part planning, part program evaluation, and is an essential tool to any continuous improvement toolbox. You'll want to select the PDSA protocol when you want to understand and improve existing systems or processes within your organization. The PDSA protocol works with any size team and has a flexible lifespan, meaning that you can run cycles as long or short as fits your needs. PDSA cycles can also be perpetually ongoing as you seek to tweak and evaluate small improvements to existing systems and processes. One benefit of the PDSA protocol is that other tools, such as process mapping, plus delta, or SWOT analysis, can be embedded within it. Let's take a look at a sample PDSA template. As always, I recommend that you document the project title, start and end dates, and responsible parties at the top of your documentation. The PDSA protocol will run in 4 phases. During phase 1, you'll work with your team to plan out a change that you want to make in your system. Be sure to identify the task, point person, and deadline for each task. You'll want to build your system change before moving on to phase 2. In phase 2, the do phase, you will run your system while implementing your change. Here, you'll want to document the various activities, points of contact, and products that your phase will involve. Make sure that data collection is embedded in this phase, because you will need it in phase 3. Phase 3 is the study phase. During this phase, your team will review the data collected during the do phase and consider any lessons learned. Document your lessons learned and whatever evidence supports your claim in the template. Don't skip on documentation here. Be as thorough as possible. You will be glad you took extra time on this step when you are reflecting on this phase during future planning meetings. Finally, in phase 4, you will act upon the lessons learned during phase 3. Document each responsive change, point person, and the deadline here in your template. Before exiting your phase 4 meeting, be sure to prep for your next PDSA cycle by choosing a responsive change to implement and study, setting desired start and end dates, and marking down any other considerations you want to remember. When you begin your next cycle, you'll use this information to jumpstart your planning discussion. In summary, the Plan, Do, Study, Act, or PDSA, is a great tool to help you implement a change in your systems and processes. Its thoughtful, step-by-step approach makes it easy for teams of all sizes to collaborate and ensure changes are implemented, monitored, and reflected upon. The cyclical nature of the PDSA makes it ideal for organizations focused on continuous improvement. Next time you want to change up an existing system or process, consider deploying the PDSA.